Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set back tap to open reachability on the iPhone 15 series. Now first, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, scroll down, and in here tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on Touch. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Back Tap. Next, in here you could choose double tap or triple tap. So I'm going to select double tap. And from here, go down and select Reachability. So tap on Reachability. And then you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now if you double tap at the back of the home, you should be able to open reachability. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.